Have you ever felt excited about the future, but also a little nervous? Have you ever looked at the past year and thought, wow, where did the time go? If yes, then today's conversation is for you. John. Hello, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast, the place where you learn English through calm, real, slow conversations.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're new, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps our channel grow, and it helps more learners just like you.
I'm Emma.
And I'm John. Today, we're having a slow, relaxed conversation, perfect for English learners.
Our topic is very special. We're talking about the new year, the past, and the future.
What we did, what we learned, and what we hope for next year. Let's begin. So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm feeling calm, a little sleepy, but good. How about you?
I'm feeling great. I had coffee, listened to music, and enjoyed a peaceful morning.
That sounds lovely. Did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes, I visited my family. We had a big dinner. It was loud, warm, and full of laughter.
That sounds wonderful. I stayed home. I watched movies and slept for 10 hours.
10 hours? You were very sleepy.
Yes, but now I feel full of energy.
So, Emma, how was your new year?
Very quiet. I stayed home.
What did you do on New Year's Eve?
We cooked dinner, watched fireworks on TV, and stayed on the sofa all night.
That sounds cozy. I went to a friend's house. We had a small party, about 10 people.
What was it like?
Very warm and friendly. We talked for hours, played simple games, and ate way too many snacks.
Did you do the countdown?
Yes, at midnight we counted 10, 9, 8, and everyone hugged.
What about New Year's Day?
I woke up late. Then I went for a long walk in the park. Cold air, fresh start, peaceful feeling.
I called my parents. We wished each other health and happiness.
Now, let's talk about the future. Do you have a New Year's resolution?
Yes, I want to read one book every month.
That's a great goal. My resolution is to learn 5 new meals to cook.
Will you cook for me?
Of course. If it's bad, we order pizza.
I want to travel more this year. Maybe the mountains in summer.
Beautiful. I want to visit my old friend next year. I'm saving money for the ticket.
What are you looking forward to?
Your cooking and my mountain trip.
I want to improve my English and start gardening on my balcony.
I want to learn video editing for this channel.
What was the best thing last year?
My vacation by the sea. Very peaceful.
Mine was finishing a big project at work.
What was difficult?
Being sick for 2 weeks.
Saying goodbye to my old car.
My dream is to speak English with confidence.
My dream is to save for a big international trip. New Year's resolution? I'm looking forward to. Dream plan? Time flies? Cozy? Countdown? Save money. What is one small plan for next month? Write it in the comments.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Both. Have a wonderful year ahead. Goodbye for now.